he recast the traditional dichotomy of work and play. He said, well, really, they're just the same practice. We've just decided to call one thing play and one thing work. And certainly in higher ed, it's more work than it's play. And when I have students coming in, because they're in this kitchen environment, which is like a sandbox and all this exciting things to play with, you can just see them start to get very, very excited about being in the environment. What they also say, though, is that in some sort of, maybe even a little embarrassed, I feel like I'm playing, like it's somehow not rigorous enough. And so what we say in one of the tenets is that, in this tenet, is that play is actually very serious, because it frees somebody to be able to really focus and be engrossed and absorbed in the experience. So, and we also tell students, please, you can play with your food.